Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export the AWS Credentials Report from PowerShell. One thing to note is you'll need to have installed and downloaded and configured AWS PowerShell for this to work, but I'll link to a video of how to do that below. All right, let's walk through it. And I'm going to start by just running this script because it does take a little bit. And what we do is we get the date, we specify the file path, so just wherever you want to save the credentials report. Then it ends with this date.csv. And then we generate the report. So we do a do while to request the IAM credential report. And then we actually get the IAM credential report. We take some steps to convert it to a CSV. And then finally, we open the credentials report. So it did open. And here's the report. Go Control A, Alt HOI, just to get it into a readable format. And there's your credentials report downloaded automatically. And it kind of shows you a lot of different things about passwords, MFA, access keys, etc. So you can audit that and do whatever you need to do. So yeah, that's it for this video. Showed you how to export the credentials report to a CSV. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Thanks all. Happy auditing.